What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite YouTuber, Anthony. Today's video I'll be showing you my experience at Karshi Waterfalls, Abuja. If you are familiar with the Abuja terrain, you should know Karshi Waterfall. And if you don't know, I'll encourage you to try and get to the place or visit the place, and you will not regret it. So guys, hang on with me, follow me while I show you my experience. As usual, guys, I didn't go alone, so I had to meet up with some other guys who had interest, and we set out for our journey. So guys, stay with me.
You are tired. The most strenuous walk ever.
Nobody dies.
Hi.
I see you. I see you. I see you entering the evil forest.
Wait, one down on the dairy's phone. One.
So as time went by, even though the adventure was quite fun, but it became challenging and tasking. So, but from experience, I can say that to make your journey easier, you need to have make sure you wear shoes that have some level of good grips, and then make sure you have a bottle or two of water so that you can refuel when you are tired. Then you can have maybe a piece of snack just to help you regain some energy as you rest. So, but generally it was fun, it was nice, it was new. It was something new aside from my normal life. It was worth it. So I think you should give it a try. Then finally, I think it is better if you can go as a group. So don't go alone, so that you can get some help when you need it, and in case you need some level of assistance, maybe along the line you get someone to assist you. You can assist each other move. The journey becomes more difficult, but it was fun. So we got to the waterfall, got to the last stop, and then had some fun, had some dancing, had some fun. Although I didn't enter the water because I was cold, I was having some cold then, so I was afraid of going to the water because I don't want to get any form of fever or shivering, so I had to stay away from the water.
Yes, baby! This is Tony! Subscribe to channel, man! Subscribe to channel! Listen, man!
I made it.
It's not easy, my dear.
I don't know!
Who is this?
Arrival of Uzabundo.
Uzabundo one. Jerry, get delete the name. She gets delete the name from the memory.
So guys, at the end of the adventure, we had to head to where we park the vehicle and start heading home. So, but before we leave, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, enable your notification button, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. See you next time.